There's a sister, she's seen a brother at university or at college.
Seeing, you mean just with her eyes like that?
Yes.
I see you. Yeah, okay.
She's seen him. He's a good-looking brother, mashallah. He's practicing. He prays his salah. And she would like to marry him. It can also go the opposite way, where the brother has seen a practicing sister and he likes her, he likes the way she looks. From what he's seen, she is practicing, she observes the hijab, etc. He would like to marry her. In this society, Sheikh, what is the best way for people to actually go about approaching each other?
I just thought of something.
Yeah.
You know, in the Arabic alphabet, there is a sin.
Yes.
A sin. So she's seen him.
Yes.
Okay. So immediately after the sin, what is there in the Arabic alphabet?
Sheen.
What's the difference between a sheen and a sin? 3 dots.
Yes.
Right. So she needs to tick all those 3, inshallah. And then she'll have a sheen. And the sheen is obviously a relationship where seeing, and then you add the H for honey, you become your honey, inshallah, right? So basically, you're making it halal. It's also the H for halal, right? The first tick is you get your wali involved, your family members involved, someone, like I said earlier in my speech, don't donate your heart or mind to someone because they're going to hurt you. Before you donate your heart and mind, ask yourself 2 things. Is this within the pleasure of Allah? And have I involved my folks? Your folks, it's a very broad term. The reason is some maybe they may not have parents, some might have, whoever else it is, your folks. So you involve your folks from the initial stage. Someone important in your family who has a bit of authority would actually need to know that the seen would like to be converted to a sheen. You have to. There's no other way of it.
But Sheikh, let's say the father, he's not on the scene, he's on the sad.
Okay, you're getting a bit clever now, but that's fine. And may Allah bless whoever's in that scenario as well, because it's quite difficult. So you need to involve your brother maybe. That's why I have done something quite realistic in my speech a little bit earlier by speaking about how important it is to have a relationship with your children as parents. That's why I stressed on it so much that if your child comes to you and tells you, I've seen someone, you need to show an interest in this. And I'm not just saying it out of imposing. I've done it in my own life, where you have someone coming to say, look, I'd like you to find out more about this person. So, okay, we'll find out more about this person. And then, subhanAllah, things developed, they got further and so on, until it had whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us to do, we had to do. The reason is, we as parents, and I'm speaking as a parent, we tend to forget that the children are just an amana. They're not my belonging. No, Allah allows me to say my child, but He is in control of that particular child's entire life. He can take the child away. He can make the child a means of your hell on earth, so to speak. But we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for us to communicate with our children. When they say something, listen carefully, interact, engage. And like I said earlier, don't begin to engage with your children when there is a problem alone. It should have started a long time back. We only try to involve and interfere in their lives when something happens that we don't agree with. And then we say, you should be doing this. I'm your mother, I'm your father. You were not my mother for all these years. You were not my father for all these years, in the sense that you didn't fulfill what Allah told you to fulfill. And you're trying to come and involve right now by issuing an instruction. And I want to add, those who have a beautiful relationship with their children that is hands-on, their children will always make them happy by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the sense that there will be beautiful communication, give and take, and you would not hold on to an opinion just because of your ego, but rather you would ask yourself, what is this? Does Allah allow it? Is it okay? Am I just being a racist? Am I being someone who's just denying the reality and so on? So you have to involve a person of your family. Unfortunately, and having been trying to help people for so many years, I've seen that where you do not involve your family, you're actually heading towards disaster. Some form of a problem, a challenge. Not everyone is strong to go through things on their own. Not every time is it permissible to actually do that. But you have to involve your folks. And thereafter, they will have to show a keen interest and bring the guy home. That's something that I always put forward as a challenge. Bring him home, let's meet him. If he is serious, he will come. If he's not going to come. He's going to say today, tomorrow, the next day, next month. No, he's not going to come.